are what we think. All that we are arises with your thought. With your thoughts, we make the world. The root of suffering is attachment. Nothing is forever except change. Do not look for a century in anyone except yourself. If you find no one to support you on the spiritual path, walk alone. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. Radiant bundleness love towards the entire world. May all beings happy minds. True love is born from understanding. Be where you are, otherwise you will miss your life. What you are is what you have been. What you will be is what you do know now. Irrigator channel water. Fletcher strengthen arrow. Carpenter bent wood. The wise master themselves. An idea that is developed and put into action is more important than an idea that exists only as an idea. To be idle is a short road to death, and to be diligent is a way of life. Foolish people are idle, wise people are diligent. Being deeply learned and skilled, being well turned and using well spoken words, this is good luck. Ardently to do what must be done. Who knows? Tomorrow death comes. As a water bean on a lotus leaf, as water on a red lily, does not andheri, so the sake does not andher to the seen, the heard or the sensed. Choosing to do evil, cultivating the good, purifying the heart. This is the teaching of the Buddhas. A disciplined mind brings happiness. All experiences are protected by mind. Having mind as their master created by mind. If anything is worth doing, do it with all your heart. I am the miracle. Even death is not to be feared by one who was lived wisely. Nothing can harm you as much as your own thoughts unguarded. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. It is a man's own mind, not his enemy or few, that lures him to evil way. Everything in moderation, including moderation. There is no fear for one whose mind is not filled with desire. Work out your own salvation, do not depend on others. Pain is certain, suffering is optional. Love is a gift of one's innermost soul to another so both can be whole. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. The way is not in the sky, the way is in the heart. Your work is to discover your work, and then with all your heart is given yourself to it. Understanding is the hardwood of well-spoken words. Just as a mother would protect her only child with her life, even so let one cultivate a boundless love towards all beings. Let all embracing thought for all being in yours. Hatred does not cease by hatred, but only you love. This is internal rule. We will develop and cultivate the liberation of mind by loving kindness. Make it your vehicle. Make it your basis. Stabilize it. Exercise yourself in it and fully protect it. Speak only endearing speech, speech that is welcomed, speech when it brings no evil to other is a pleasant thing. She who knows life flow feels no fear or tear, needs no mending or repair. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. Live every act fully as if it were your last. Offend in neither word nor deed. Eat with moderation. Live in your heart. Seek the highest consciousness. Master yourself according to the law. This is the simple teaching of the awakened. Everything is based on mind, is led by mind, is fascinated by mind. If you speak and act with a polluted mind, suffering will follow you, as the wheels of the ox cart follow the footsteps of the ox. Better is to live one day seeing the rise and fall of things than to live 100 years without ever seeing the rises and fall of things. Should you find a wise critic to point out your fault, follow him as you would a guide to hidden teacher. In sparedness lies the world's greatest misery. In compassion lies the world's true strength. Don't rush anything when the time is right. It all happen. The world is afflicted by death and decay, but the wise do not grieve, having realized the nature of the world. Anger will never disappear so long as thought, the resentment are christened in the mind. Anger will disappear just as soon as thoughts of resentment forgotten. The instant we feel anger, we have already ceased striving for the truth and have begun striving for yourself. Hatred is never appeased by hatred in this world. By non-hatred alone is hatred appeased. This is a law internal. Know from the river is cleft and the crevice. Those in small channel flow noisily, the great flow silent. Whatever not full makes noise, whatever is full is quiet. There is no fire like passion, there is no sword like hatred, there is no snare like folly, there is no torrent like greed. Not by ritual and revolutions, nor by much learning, nor by celibacy, nor even by meditation can you find the supreme immortal joy of nirvana until you execute your self-will. All tremble at violence, all fear death, putting oneself in the place of another. One should not kill nor cause another to kill. Conquer anger with non-anger, conquer badness with goodness, conquer meanness with generosity. To be angry is to let others' mistake punish yourself. He who can curb his wrath as soon as it arises, as a timely antidote, will check snake's venom that so quickly spreads. Such a monk gives up the hair and the beyond just as a serpent sees its worn out skin. There is no path to happiness, happiness is the path. One who acts is truth is happy in this world and beyond. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. If with a pure mind a person speaks or acts, happiness follow him like this never departing shadow. Your life is shaped by your mind. We become that we think. Joy follow a pure thought like a shadow that never leaves. Health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. Drop by drop is the water pot filled. Likewise, the wise man, gathering it little by little, fills himself with good. All conditions things are important when one sees this with wisdom, one turns away from suffering. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate that they already have. Whatever is not yours, let go of it. Your letting go of it will your long-term happiness and benefit. Delight in meditation and solitude. Compose yourself, be happy. You are a seeker. Those who are free of resentful thoughtness surely find peace. Do not overreact what you have received, nor envy other. He who envy other does not obtain peace of mind. He who sits alone, sleeps alone, and walks alone, who is strenuous and subdues himself alone, will find delight in the solitude of the forest. Don't run after pleasure and neglect the practice of meditation. If you forget the goal of life and get caught in the pleasure of the world, you will come to envy those who put meditation first. A man is not called wise because he talks and talks again, but if he is peaceful, loving and fearless, then he is in truth called wise. A mind unruffled by the vagaries and fortune, from sorrow, freed from defilements, cleansed from fear, liberated. This is the greatest blessing. Meditate, do not delay, lest you later regret it. Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. Resolutely train yourself to attain peace. Give, even if you only have a little. If you knew that I know about the power of giving, you would not let a single meal pass without sharing it in same way. To live a pure, selfish life, one must count nothing as one's own the midst of audience. The greatest gift is to give people your enlightenment, to share it. It has to the greatest. Teach this triple truth to all. The generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and compassion are the things which renew humanity. If we fail to look after others when they need help, who will look after us? Whatever words we utter should be chosen with care, for people will hear them and be influenced by them for good or ill. True charity occurs only when there are no nation of giver or gift. Before giving, the mind of the giver is happy. While giving, and mind of the giver is made peaceful, and having given, the mind of the giver is uplifted. To support mother and father, to cherish wife and children, and to be engaged in peaceful occupation, this is the greatest blessing. When watching after yourself, you watch after other. When watching other, you watch after yourself. Just as a solid rock is not shaken by the storm, even so the wise you are not affected by price or blame. Endurance is one of the most difficult disciplines, but it is to the one who endures that the final victory comes. No one saves us but yourself, no one can, and no one way. We yourself must walk the path. The one who has conquered himself is a far greater hero than he who has defeated 1,000 times a 1,000 men. Be a lamp yourself, be your own refuge, seek for no other, all things must pass. Strike the diligent, don't give up. Wear your ego like a loose lifted garment. What we are today comes from your thoughts to yesterday, and your present thought build our life of tomorrow. Your life is the creation of your mind. Meditation brings wisdom. Lack of the meditation leaves ignorance. Know well that leads you forward, and what hold you back, and choosing the path what leads to wisdom. You yourself must strive. The Buddha's only points of the way. As an elephant in the battlefield, with stand arrows shot from bows all around, even so shall I endure abuse.